So this is the Neo model from Lordhair. I'm really pleased with it so far. I've tried a lot of Lordhair units, or I've tried a few Lordhair units over the last year or so, the last several months I've been using them. I've been really pleased with all their units, their service and everything else. I've tried some that are poly-based units. I've tried a full French superfine Swiss lace unit, and this one is the Neo model. What I love about it is it's a hybrid, so it's a poly perimeter with a French lace on the top and French lace along the hairline, so you get the best of both worlds, which is going to let you easy attach it, because all you have to do, what I do for my maintenance, or the way I attach my unit, is I just put Ghost Bond Platinum. I use Ghost Bond Platinum. I just take the Ghost Bond Platinum and just put it all around the border of the poly material, just along the border, along the perimeter, and I just attach it, and it's really easy to attach and detach that way, because you don't have to worry about putting a full bond all over the unit, and you still get the breathability because it's French lace on the top and along the hairline. So I'm really liking this unit. Another thing I absolutely love about it is the shed. It doesn't shed at all. I mean, it sheds probably only 1 or 2 hairs every now and then, but the shedding is excellent on it. I don't notice that much shedding at all. Even when I brush it in the shower, it's perfect. It feels really good. It's real comfortable on your head. The hair feels great. It feels real. This is a contour shape, a hairline. Here, I'll lift up the hair so you can see it. So it is a more realistic hairline. It is more of a contour. So it is slightly recessed, but it looks great. I can achieve a very amount of styles with it, and I really love it. And this is also the LD0044 hairstyle that I chose from Lordhair. I have Lordhair cut and style, and they do a fantastic job. I can wear the unit right out of the box as soon as I get it from them. I'm able to just put it on my head and wear it right out of the box. I don't even have to cut it additionally or blend it to my own hair. Now your results may vary with that, but their haircuts have always been top notch. I'm really pleased with them. And this is about 5-inch hair length, so I'm really liking the longer hairstyle. But yeah, the hair is flowy. It feels great. I just run my fingers through it and I style it. Most of the time I just wear it real free flowing like this. And then I'll give you an idea of the back of it, what it looks like from all sides. It feels really good, feels real natural, it looks real natural. I'm really liking it. The density is perfect. This is a light to medium density, so it's a perfect density. I think it's just a perfect balance of having a lot of hair, but also looking realistic at the same time. So I'm really enjoying it. It feels great, it looks great, and I really couldn't be more pleased with it. And just overall, I've been using Lordhair for several months now. I've used a few of their units. I might say this one is probably my favorite unit out of the ones that they offer. Again, I've tried a couple more of their other units, but this one it's just the best and well-balanced unit, because you get breathability. It's easy to attach, it's easy to clean, it's easy to maintain. The hair feels and looks great. I love the hairline. It's a perfect, it looks realistic. I used to go with the straighter hairline not too long ago, but I find now trying this, I think I really prefer the A contour, because this is really, it looks great, feels great. It looks most realistic this way, and I'm really liking it. So yeah, this is the Neo model. I'm really pleased with it, and yeah, I couldn't be happier with it.